Hey guys, welcome back to Sidewinder Shed. And today, what we got here is another little project that I have to do. It's an engine for my daughter's car. Just came in, I'm getting ready to unwrap it and see what it looks like. Alright, good deal. Yep. Well, looks like a fairly complete 3.0 liter double overhead cam Mazda or Ford. It's basically a Mazda engine, although some Fords use it. It is a 2004. It's supposed to have 147,000 miles on it. You got it from somebody that's reputable, so that's what it should have. And what I got to do is I'm going to go ahead and replace the water pump.
Alright, man.
And I'm going to go ahead and do the timing chain gears. While I'm at it, in order to do that, I have to pull the oil pan, so I may as well check the bearings on it and do all of that to it before I get her car over, pull her engine, and put this in. The other thing I have to do is I have to get rid of the camper, put that on the truck, get it out the way. I have no place inside to work on this. I can't put it in the shed because the vehicles cannot get by the shed. Can't get by the house and the fence to get to the shed. And the pool's in the way, so I can't, even if I could get the vehicles in the back of the house to where the shed is, the pool's in the way. And even if the pool was not in the way, my big roll-up door, the springs on it are busted, so you can't roll it up. So there's no working inside. But anyway, this is the beginning of another project. Not one that I was planning on doing. She has a 2004 Mazda Tribute Protege. Tribute, Mazda Tribute. And the way you're supposed to change these engines is you don't lift the engine out of the car. You lift the car up and drop the engine out the bottom. I'm gonna have to figure a way how to pull the damn engine out of the car because I just don't have the room, the space to try and lift the car up and pull the engine out. I can get the car up high enough to drop the engine, but then you have to slide it sideways unless you have the whole car up on a lift. So, yeah. If you pick the car up,
Park the car this way so you have the whole driveway side.
yeah, the car is too long. It's gonna, even if I put it over there,
Just keep the wheels
I
on the
wouldn't trust it sitting on the mud, you know, when I lift it up. It's a good idea.
cars. Just think,
Yeah, it's a good idea.
spitball.
Also, when you're lifting the car up, I still need the engine hoist. And usually that whole front end will lay on the legs of the engine hoist. Did you see us trying to drag that engine hoist sideways? It's not on a flat surface, it'll work. You know, well, I mean like a normal garage surface, you know, it's nice and smooth. You can slide those things. On this asphalt, it won't slide. So I may have to pull it apart in pieces. Transmission, then engine, you know, take out the radiator, a lot of stuff, a lot of extra steps, but I'll figure it out, I'll get it done. That's it for now.